the rest of the week. 68 degrees now. It feels warm. It almost feels a little on the humid side here in Kansas City. 71 in Lee Summit, Odessa, 61 in Marshall, 68 degrees in Leavenworth. Kind of a mix of starlight, cloud cover, and a little bit of moonlight as well. 12-hour forecast for today. A slight chance of a sprinkle between 1 and 5 o'clock this afternoon. Not high enough of a chance that I'd want to make sure to have an umbrella with me. There just might be a quick sprinkle in there as the clouds thicken up later today and strong south winds bring higher levels of surface moisture northward into Kansas and Missouri. It'll be another very warm day with highs in the mid to upper 80s, but not as hot as yesterday. And then tomorrow we begin that change back toward fall-like temperatures, more highs in the 70s and low 80s. The most likely time for rain as this front comes in is going to be overnight through sunrise tomorrow. That's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. There still could be a lingering shower through the rest of the morning into the afternoon, but a lot of that rain is going to fall overnight while many of us are sleeping, and hopefully the impacts on your daily and nightly routine will be at a minimum. Look at the end of the week and the weekend. Strong north winds on Friday, a slight chance of a shower. 62 degrees for a high, so game temperature going to be in the 50s Friday evening. Saturday and Sunday morning lows in Kansas City, upper 30s. A frost is possible, Cody.